Imagine stepping into a world where you're not just a tourist, but a part of the local community. Welcome to Local Immersion Experiences, where we delve into the heart of various destinations around the globe, embracing their culture, traditions, and way of life. In this journey, we'll learn, participate, and immerse ourselves in the local scene, from cooking classes to cultural workshops, and even contributing through volunteering. So, are you ready to dive into the local culture, customs, and traditions? Let's get started. To start your journey, you first need to choose your destination. Picking a place to immerse yourself in local culture requires thoughtful consideration. You're not just picking a pin on a map, you're choosing an experience, a chance to walk in someone else's shoes, to see the world through their eyes. Think about what interests you. Are you drawn to the flamboyant colors of traditional festivals? Or do you prefer the quiet solitude of ancient temples? Perhaps you're intrigued by the rhythmic cadence of a foreign language, or the tantalizing aroma of exotic spices wafting from a bustling marketplace. Do your research. Discover the local traditions, customs, and activities. Look for places that offer unique experiences, like cooking classes or music workshops. Consider the opportunity to give back through volunteering. Choosing your destination is more than just picking a place. It's the first step in your journey of discovery. Once you've picked your destination, the real adventure begins. Now let's talk about the heart of local immersion, the activities. Each destination offers a unique set of opportunities to dive into the local culture. One of the most enticing ways is through cooking classes. Here, you'll get your hands dirty with local ingredients, learning traditional techniques and recipes passed down through generations. Next up, cultural workshops. These can range from art classes, where you'll learn to craft traditional pieces, to music and dance lessons, letting you step into the rhythm of the local life. But immersion isn't just about taking, it's about giving back too. Volunteering opportunities allow you to contribute to the local community, whether it's helping at a charity or participating in a local project. These activities aren't just about filling your itinerary, they're about enriching your understanding of the local culture, deepening your connection to the place and its people. Remember, the goal is not just to have fun, but to learn and understand the local culture. One of the best ways to understand a culture is through its food. Food tells a story, a tale of heritage, tradition, and innovation. It's a sensory journey that transcends language barriers and connects us on a primal level. As we navigate through the hustle and bustle of local markets, we get to witness the heart of a community. The vibrant colors, the enchanting aromas, the symphony of sounds. It's an experience that's as enriching as it is delicious. We don't just eat with our mouths, but with our eyes, nose, and even our hearts. Trying traditional dishes is not just about tasting new flavors, it's about understanding the history that created them. Every bite is a piece of a puzzle, revealing a picture of the land, the people, and their way of life. So, when you venture to a new place, delve into its food scene. Embrace the unfamiliar, the intriguing, the delightful, because that's where you'll find the soul of a culture. So don't shy away from those new flavors, they're all part of the experience. Beyond the activities and the food, there's the people. The locals are your key to a truly immersive experience. Engaging with them, sharing their day-to-day life, and participating in their traditions gives you a real sense of what makes their culture unique. Whether it's joining a local festival, celebrating a regional holiday, or simply sharing a meal, these experiences allow you to see the world through their eyes. Take the time to exchange stories, ideas, and experiences. You'll be surprised at the wealth of knowledge and insight you can gain from these interactions. It's not just about learning their culture, but also about sharing yours. This two-way exchange enriches the experience, making it more than just a visit, but a meaningful connection between two different worlds. But the journey doesn't end there. After immersing yourself in a new culture, it's important to reflect on the experiences you've had. What have you learned? How have these interactions changed your perspective? These reflections deepen your understanding and appreciation of the diversity of cultures in our world. And there you have it, your guide to a full local immersion experience. Remember, the world is full of diverse cultures waiting to be explored, so why not start today?